AI meets productivity. What M365 Copilot Chat means for enterprises. It's no surprise that AI is already strolling the hallways of Fortune 500 organizations and not some far-off sci-fi dream anymore. Over the past 2 years, since OpenAI launched ChatGPT, technology companies have left no stone unturned to launch generative AI products that tout groundbreaking results and no less. While startups have had an edge in the domain, the bigger names aren't holding back either. Amongst the bigger names, Microsoft comes across as a serious contender that has done well to realize the potential of this new shiny piece of technology and jump on the bandwagon. And this time, these folks from Redmond are serious and have already poured in large sums of money. Earlier this year, Microsoft President Brad Smith stated, Microsoft is on pace to invest about $80 billion in 2025 to build AI data centers, train AI models, and deploy cloud-based applications around the world. This does not include the money already spent on the OpenAI relationship. To give you a sense, Microsoft is heavily betting on AI-driven productivity with their most recent release of M365 Copilot and Copilot Chat. In theory, if these efforts are successful, Copilot Chat may become the preferred enterprise AI helper, easily included in Outlook, Excel, Teams, and more. However, Copilot Chat brings serious risks even if it promises efficiency, automation, and insights. Should companies neglect adoption, security, governance, and expenses, this AI-driven leap might rapidly turn into a costly mistake. But then again, that is true for all things enterprise technology. As an analyst, I have nearly 2 decades of experience analyzing technology trends, separating vendor noise, and delivering the real talk. From where I stand, I find Microsoft's Copilot Chat promising and bold. It may be a little audacious, but also full of potential pitfalls. This research note by Greyhound Research dissects what is fresh, what is cleverly done, and where businesses might make mistakes. Microsoft's major artificial intelligence push, what's fresh? Microsoft presents Copilot as the one consistent artificial intelligence UI. In their words, Copilot is the UI for AI. Honestly, I found that clever and apartment per Microsoft. With this approach, employees get a uniform AI experience across Outlook, Excel, Teams, and PowerPoint rather than juggling several solutions. Here, the game changer is the tight integration with Microsoft Graph, which lets Copilot Chat examine corporate data in real time without external models or manual uploads. Microsoft isn't stopping, though, at just simple AI assistance. By integrating CRMs, ERPs, and custom enterprise apps, they're introducing sophisticated artificial intelligence agents able to automate complex, multi-step processes. Consider this. Using this, the sales teams can easily pull client information from their workflow. Finance departments can quickly create accurate financial predictions, and HR can smoothly automate the onboarding process. Microsoft has also turned toward more customizable AI experiences so that companies may use their data to teach Copilot Chat. This significant strategy change acknowledges businesses' requirements for customized, context-rich artificial intelligence solutions. We at Greyhound Research believe this strategy and approach have potential. Prior to publishing this research note, we ran this announcement with over 24 of our end-user clients, and all have shown nothing but confidence in this uniform experience. Of course, Copilot Chat still has limitations, and enterprises ought to be reasonable about what they can expect. After all, it's no magic wand. However, positive user feedback suggests this may work long-term even if it does not fly immediately. Technical announcements and important product information. A recent analyst call organized by the company's analyst relations team gave a fresh perspective on Copilot Chat. Here's a list of the most important announcements and product features. Free, secure AI chat. Available for free, Copilot Chat is powered by GPT-4o, web-grounded, accessible via Entra ID, and includes strong enterprise-grade data protection. Customizable agents. Companies can create customized agents inside Copilot Chat using a straightforward user interface to effortlessly interact with SharePoint, Dynamics 365, Salesforce, SAP, and other business platforms. This covers pre-built low-cost agents such as Idea Coach, Writing Coach, and Prompt Coach. Advanced agent capabilities. Copilot Studio lets you access advanced agent capabilities like autonomous actions, complicated business automation, generative replies, dynamic responses using knowledge bases, and classic answers, predefined responses. Each has particular pricing, ranging from minimum prices, 1 to 2 cents for each interaction, to more expensive rates for advanced autonomous actions, 25 cents. Copilot Control System. It consists of 3 pillars: data protection, via SharePoint Advanced management tools via Copilot Studio and M365 Admin Center, and advanced reporting and analytics, Copilot Analytics, formerly Viva Insights. Flexible deployment options between the free Copilot Chat experience and the paid M365 Copilot SKU, $30 per user/month, which includes complete capabilities including integrated Microsoft Graph data grounding, detailed personal assistant functionalities, Teams, Outlook, Excel, PowerPoint, and pre-built M365 agents, interpreter, facilitator, project manager. Business outcome reporting lets companies precisely measure AI impact by tracking particular business KPIs, such as sales velocity or productivity gains. Third-party integrations and Azure AI Foundry. Copilot helps companies keep flexibility and avoid vendor lock-in by supporting third-party integrations, such as OpenAI's GPT models, Meta's Llama, Mistral AI, and Hugging Face. Azure AI Foundry is another tool Copilot Chat supports. 4 essential steps for leaders. Accelerating M365 Copilot Chat adoption. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat represents a significant shift in how employees interact with AI-powered productivity tools. However, simply making the tool available isn't enough. Organizations must take deliberate steps to drive adoption, ensure security, and demonstrate value. Here's a strategic roadmap to help leaders integrate Copilot Chat effectively into their digital workplace. 1/Ensure seamless accessibility. Adoption starts with convenience and frictionless access. Copilot Chat, or any such feature, won't become a go-to source for employees unless they can readily access it from apps they use throughout their day. Here's a checklist that Greyhound research believes can help end-user clients explore Copilot Chat. Embed Copilot Chat across Microsoft 365 apps. Ensure Copilot Chat is pinned within essential apps like Outlook, Teams, Word, and Excel to make it readily available where users most need it. IT and business leaders should prioritize integration into daily operations. Include Windows environment shortcuts for easy access. Position Copilot Chat primarily within the Start menu, taskbar, and Office application ribbons. Improve intranet and workspace link visibility. Share desktops, collaborative hubs, and internal portal direct access to Copilot Chat. Offer simple setup instructions. Incorporate comprehensive technical documentation and methodical installation guidelines to help end users and IT support teams have a smooth onboarding experience. Here are some additional tips Greyhound research believes can help improve adoption. Set up QR codes on internal portals and office posters to send users to Copilot Chat rapidly. Guide first-time users using automated onboarding pop-ups seen inside Microsoft 365 apps. Automate Copilot deployment across all corporate devices with Microsoft Endpoint Manager so that no manual setup is needed. What gets measured gets done, and the same applies to Copilot Chat. Here are a few metrics that Greyhound research believes can help you measure the success of this project. Track the proportion of users who have at least once opened Copilot Chat to gauge success. Measure how often staff members use pinned Copilot shortcuts in different programs. Track help desk tickets. High levels of how to access questions point to adoption challenges. 2/Drive effective awareness. Strong internal advocacy is necessary for even the most advanced artificial intelligence products to take off. Leaders must aggressively convey the importance of Copilot Chat so that staff members know why and how to apply it. Here's a checklist that Greyhound research believes can help end-user clients explore Copilot Chat. Start an awareness campaign. Use Copilot Chat as a formally recognized enterprise-grade artificial intelligence solution. Emphasize that it satisfies compliance criteria, which will allay worries about shadow artificial intelligence use. Match communication to organizational priorities. Link Copilot Chat adoption to overall digital transformation and productivity projects, demonstrating how AI supports strategic objectives. Make consistent, strong communications. Reiterate Copilot Chat's availability and benefits using internal newsletters, senior briefings, and all-hands gatherings. Use pre-made email templates and FAQs to ensure clarity. Enable influencers and champions. Name department leads, IT champions, and power users who can highlight practical applications and inspire peer adoption. Here are some additional tips Greyhound research believes can help improve adoption. Organize friendly contests or leaderboards to inspire Copilot use, honoring staff members who must apply it. Plan AI days, whereby staff members present creative use cases and best practices across several divisions. Set up Copilot clinics or AI hours, when staff members may ask questions and get live demonstrations. What gets measured gets done, and the same applies to Copilot Chat. Here are a few metrics that Greyhound Research believes can help you measure the success of this project. Track participation with Copilot-related announcements to record email open and click rates.an. Use Employee Awareness Survey to determine how many Copilot and feature-aware staff members there are. Measure Copilot adoption following awareness campaigns to indicate post-campaign usage. 3/maintain compliance and security. With the increasing acceptance of artificial intelligence come concerns about security, data privacy, and the illegal use of generative AI tools. Strong governance policies help IT managers protect organizational data. Here's a checklist that Greyhound Research believes can help end-user clients explore Copilot Chat. Set DNS settings for safe AI access. Send traffic through managed DNS settings that prioritize Copilot Chat, preventing staff from using unapproved AI tools. Apply artificial intelligence search firewall rules. Limit illegal AI use by ensuring Copilot Chat is available via safe, business-approved routes. Control AI access with traffic restrictions and proxies. Redirect proxy servers to reliable AI resources such as M365Copilot.com, guaranteeing staff members use the appropriate, enterprise-secured Copilot instance. Use Azure's built-in traffic management tools to govern and track Copilot-related queries, optimizing AI query routing. Here are some additional tips Greyhound Research believes can help improve adoption. As artificial intelligence adoption rises, do quarterly AI security audits to evaluate compliance and hone policy. Limit Copilot Chat's access to private corporate data according to job function using role-based access control, RBAC. Check AI access logs often, then use Azure Sentinel to highlight any unusual AI interactions. What gets measured gets done, and the same applies to Copilot Chat. Here are a few metrics that Greyhound Research believes can help you measure the success of this project. Track employee attempts at employing prohibited AI tools to determine their frequency. Using DLP, track the number of flagged AI violations and interactions, including private information. Monitor security compliance score by assessing how closely Copilot Chat fits organizational governance structures. Point 3. 4/showcase tangible impact. Copilot Chat's success ultimately rests on how well it enables workers to operate faster and smarter. Depending on employee feedback, leaders should always show its practical worth and improve its use. Here's a checklist that Greyhound Research believes can help end-user clients explore Copilot Chat. Offer curated prompts for different teams. Create custom AI prompts for important tasks, including HR, marketing, finance, and sales, to guarantee users immediately perceive benefits. Emphasize role-specific use cases. Show how Copilot Chat improves daily chores, including email summarizing, report writing, and spreadsheet analysis, producing insights. Provide organized tools for training and enablement. Create interactive learning courses, on-demand tutorials, and peer-led seminars to let users grow and ease features. Improve and streamline continuously, using insights and actively collecting comments via surveys, focus groups, and help desk requests to solve problems and boost Copilot's performance. Here are some additional tips Greyhound Research believes can help improve adoption. Set up an AI help desk chatbot to instantly assist employees with standard Copilot questions. Make a Copilot success dashboard displaying company high-impact use cases and real-time adoption patterns. See Copilot's effect on employee productivity with time-saving insights using Microsoft Power BI. What gets measured gets done, and the same applies to Copilot Chat. Here are a few metrics that Greyhound Research believes can help you measure the success of this project. Track reduction in time spent on email drafting, report preparation, or data analysis per task. Track the Copilot feature use breakdown by listing the features most often used by employees, such as content creation and summarizing. Use ongoing and periodic internal surveys to gauge employee usability and satisfaction. In summary, implementing Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat is an ongoing process rather than a one-time event. Enterprises embarking on this mission must emphasize important adoption, KPIs, and user impact assessments to gauge progress and hone their plan. While the steps mentioned above offer incredible detail, here's a quick summary of how to track and measure Copilot Chat adoption and its success within your enterprise. 1/Tracking adoption performance. With Microsoft 365 Admin Center, track daily and weekly active users, DU/WAU. List the Copilot Chat features most often utilized in different departments. 2/Evaluate productivity improvements. Use internal surveys to ask Copilot users for time saved on each job. Compare staff performance in important areas, including email answers, document creation, and data analysis before and after Copilot deployment. 3/gather and act on user feedback. Set up monthly user feedback sessions to improve Copilot's efficacy. Monitor and track Copilot support tickets to find areas users find difficult. 4/benchmark against corporate objectives. Match Copilot's influence with strategic goals includes customer encounters, speed of decision-making, or email overload reduction. 5/iterate and enhance. Based on changing use patterns, routinely update Copilot training and best practices. Working with early adopters and corporate leaders will help you to identify fresh use cases. Enterprises can maximize the long-term value of Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat by regularly evaluating these metrics and improving the approach, transforming AI-powered support from a novelty into a necessary tool in the workplace. Last thoughts. Is Copilot Chat the future of work? At Greyhound Research, we believe Copilot Chat marks a turning point for Microsoft and its clients. Supported by flexible deployment choices and strong customizing capabilities, it provides companies with a realistic, safe, and instantly available AI-enhanced productivity. However, the choice to use Copilot Chat requires serious thought. Enterprise leaders must closely examine integration capabilities, assess how Copilot Chat fits their business processes, and uncompromisingly focus on real-world return on investment. From our deep experience advising and consulting with end-user clients, we at Greyhound Research believe data governance, artificial intelligence openness, and preparedness for ongoing optimization should be at the top of the strategic checklist. We also firmly believe that while unquestionably promising, Copilot Chat is fraught with potential risks. Companies that carefully negotiate these complexities will lead this AI revolution. Those acting fast risk being cautionary stories. The decision is obvious. Welcome strategic restraint or risk being overwhelmed by the speed of technical progress. Your next action will determine your company's AI path. Make it count. Analyst in focus, Sanchit Gogia. Sanchit Gogia, or SVG as he is popularly known, is a globally recognized technology analyst, innovation strategist, digital consultant, and board advisor. SVG is the chief analyst, founder and CEO of Greyhound Research, a global, award-winning technology research, advisory, consulting, and education firm. Greyhound Research works closely with global organizations, their CXOs, and the board of directors on technology and digital transformation decisions. SVG is also the founder and CEO of the House of Greyhound, an eclectic venture focusing on interdisciplinary innovation. Copyright policy. All content contained on the Greyhound Research website is protected by copyright law and may not be reproduced, distributed, transmitted, displayed, published, or broadcast without the prior written permission of Greyhound Research or, in the case of third-party materials, the prior written consent of the copyright owner of that content. You may not alter, delete, obscure, or conceal any trademark, copyright, or other notice appearing in any Greyhound Research content. We request our readers not to copy Greyhound Research content and not republish or redistribute them, in whole or partially, via emails or republishing them in any media, including websites, newsletters, or intranets. We understand that you may want to share this content with others, so we've added tools under each content piece that allow you to share the content. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our community relations team at connect@thoffer.com.